In this demonstration, I'm going to upgrade my email address policies and my email address lists to Exchange Server 2010. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Exchange Management Shell to upgrade the email address policies, and also use the Management Shell to upgrade the email address lists, so that we can use the ones that have come from 2003 on 2010. To do that, I'm just going to use the set-email address policy utility to actually first of all upgrade the email address policies. As you can see, we've used the set-email address policy, default policy to all recipients. Go with the default. Now all done. Next thing to do, just come to the Exchange Management Console. Just come into the Management Console. You need to go to the organizational configuration, and within here, Hub Transport. We want to have a look at our email address policies. We'll right click on the default email address policy and just ensure that we can actually edit that policy. Yep, so as we can see, we didn't get any error messages, so we're happy that that is working correctly. So we'll just cancel that. So the next thing to do here is just use the Exchange Management Shell to actually upgrade the email address lists as well. So back in the Management Shell, we're going to use the same utility. We're going to use the set-address list instead of the email address policy, and we're going to specify all users, all groups and all contacts. So just clear the screen. Alright, so we've set -address list, all users, include recipients or mailbox users. Hit return, go with the defaults, all done. We'll clear the screen again, and the next thing we're going to do is actually use this commandlet to upgrade the mail groups as well. So this time it's going to be all groups and mail groups. Again, go with the default, so that's now done. Next thing to do is the contacts, so we'll clear the screen again. So replace all contacts and mail contacts, and again we'll go with the defaults. So now that we've done that, next thing that we're going to do here is just upgrade the default global address list, and we're also going to specify things like public folders as well. So quite a long commandlet, so we'll just pause the video while I type in the commandlet. So with this commandlet, what we're going to do is set the global address list, default global address list. For the recipient filter, I'm going to specify all of this. So what we're doing here is just converting this default global address list to be used on our Exchange 2010 organization as well. So hit the enter key just to confirm all of that, and that's now all done. So the next thing to do really is just come into the address list tab in the global address list. So we'll come in here, go to organizational configuration, click on mailbox and come to address lists. Wait for this to refresh. As you can see, we've now upgraded all of these address lists to work with Exchange 2010, and that's the end of this demonstration.